This video is going to show how to use graspable math to solve some equations. So we've looked at solving equations already. We're going to use graspable math to do that. So here's the equation we're going to start with. X minus 5 equals 7. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to press and hold on the equal sign. So we're going to press and hold our mouse button, click and hold, and you'll get this window that pops up that allows us to enter operations. So the E in here just says with our operation. If we look at this equation, what is it that we want to do first? What is our goal here? Well, our goal is to get x on one side of the equation all by itself. In order to do that, we need to undo the minus 5, and we undo the minus 5 with the inverse operation, which is addition. So what we want to do here is add 5 to both sides. So I just click on the plus sign, click on the 5, and then Graspable is going to add the 5 for us. So you can see that it's added 5 to both sides. And now we can go ahead and simplify this operation. So negative 5 plus 5, if I click on the plus sign, it does the work for us. We're left with an x here. And we're also going to click on the 7 plus 5 on this side to get 12. So our first answer, x equals 12. Now one of the things that you might notice is that if you move your mouse close by, you'll see these two little circles. And if you pull down on those two little circles, you can see all of the steps that you use to solve that equation. All right, let's have a look at the next one here. So again, we're going to press and hold on the equal sign, and we're going to solve this equation so that we're going to tell Graspable what it needs to do. In order to solve this equation, this is 3 times x equals 132. We want to undo that multiplication by 3, and we undo multiplication with division. So we are going to divide. I'm going to click on the divide symbol, both sides by 3. Press done, and you can see that it's divided by 3. It's shown that for us. And again, we're going to simplify that process. So we did 3 divided by 3. I just clicked on the 3 in the denominator. Same thing here. Click on the 3 in the denominator, and it tells us x equals 44. And again, you can see your steps here. So you can look back and say, all right, we divided by 3 on both sides, and then we simplified the left side and the right side, and we got an answer of 44. Let's have a look at this next one. So again, I'm just going to press and hold on the equal sign. And then the expression, the calculator pops up. X is being divided by 5. We want to undo a division by 5. We use the inverse operation, which is multiplication. Sorry, that's an X, not a multiplication. Multiplication is the star here. So we're going to multiply by 5, hit done, and it will multiply both sides of the equation by 5 for us. So again, I'm just going to press and hold. Sorry, not there. Cancel that. Oh, I think we could just do this. Click on the, little multiplication symbol, and then we should be able to do the division there. I had to drag it up. I don't know if you always have to do that, and we get an answer of x equals 50. Again, if we pull down, so press and hold your mouse, pull down, you can see all the steps that we used to get that. So that's how we can solve single-step equations. Let's also look at a two-step equation. Same idea here. Here we have 2x plus 4 equals 8. Our goal is to solve for x. We want to get the x term on one side of the equation all by itself. To do that, first we undo this plus 4. So again, I'm going to press and hold on the equal sign. I want to undo a plus 4. We do that with the inverse operation, which is subtracting 4. And then we can simplify this process here. So notice here I clicked on the plus sign, trying to add 2x and 4. It can't add those two things, but it can do the subtraction here of 4 minus 4. Same over here, 8 minus 4. And then again, I'm going to press and hold on the equal sign. 2 times x is equal to 4. We're just going to divide both sides by 2. And you can see we get it there. So double click on the 2 to simplify, do the same over here, and we get x equals 2. And here's all the work that we did. So that's how you can use graspable math to solve equations, help you solve equations.